Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a rectangle in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to draw attention to a person, an object, or a crucial piece of text in a video, adding a solid or outline rectangle is the faster way to create a clean, professional visual callout. Here, I've already opened DaVinci Resolve and here's my timeline. So to start adding a rectangle, you can just here go to the effects and here add the fusion composition. You can just drag it into the timeline, right click on it, and then open in fusion page. Now you can just click on or add a background in here like this, and now I'm going to merge it. So click on merge like this, and now you can just add the rectangle in here, this one, and the rectangle will be added to the timeline just like that. So that's all. That's a quick and easiest way to add rectangle in Resolve. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.